I've been working in the digital space since the last 5 years. But now, when I look back, I sometimes think I could have got the same amount of experience in much less time. So, today I'm going to show you how you can get 5 years of digital marketing experience in just 2 years or less. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ismail Sheikh, a 22-year-old freelancer. On this channel, I talk about digital marketing, freelancing, and everything that you need to get ahead in life. So, if you're into those, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button on this video. So, I started my career at a startup called Flow Mattress. There I learned a lot of things. I was just 17 years old. I learned how a D2C business, what a D2C business is, how it functions, what all things are required to bring a startup together. But after that, the next 3 years of my college, I did a lot of things. I started coding, I learned digital marketing, I started making content, learned about Web3, started Web3 development, and I also worked at India's biggest startup. The problem with doing so many things was I was spreading myself too thin. Is it a good thing or a bad thing? Well, a little bit of both. The problem with this approach was the lack of focus. I was spreading my energy, my time, and my focus too thin across different things, which is why it took me a lot of time to become good at any one thing, which in my case is digital marketing. So, if I were to start over, how will I learn digital marketing to give it full focus and learn it as quickly as possible? The first step is to enroll in a decent digital marketing course. Now, see, I'm a big believer of learning through YouTube and the internet. You can learn everything on YouTube. But the problem is information is scattered all around. And since we're talking about speed and efficiency and learning quickly, it's better to get a mentor who has some experience in the field, some practical experience in the field, so they can share insights with you. I learned from this startup called Young Urban Project. They have different courses such as product marketing, product management, digital marketing, performance marketing, and many crash courses as well. Now, I am in no way affiliated with them. They do have an affiliation scheme, but I haven't opted for it, and I am recommending this out of my personal experience because I saw some great results with them. Their courses are also 100% live. It stretches out for 3 weeks, and it's actually very nice because you can get your doubts cleared right there at the moment. Now, after completing this course, that is just 20% of the battle done. The next step is applying all the skills that you learned and gaining practical knowledge. Now, if you're in college, I would recommend that you apply for an internship wherever you can find, because you want to get hands-on experience of every aspect of digital marketing. How do you do it? You can search on portals like Internshala and LinkedIn for internships, or you can reach out to startup founders directly and asking for an internship. If you don't know how to do that, I have made videos which show you exactly how to apply for these internships. You can check it out on my channel. We'll work at this internship well and get as much experience as possible. Try out different things in this sector, try out each and everything in fact, and understand what you want to do. Now, third is to upgrade. See, you must have worked here for 6 months to 12 months, close to a year. And if you're seeing good growth in terms of your personal experience and learning, then good, stick by it. But if you're not, it's time to upgrade. It's time to switch to a bigger company, because here you'll learn systems and networks. So by now you must have known what particular segment of digital marketing you like, and try to build your resume around that particular topic. So if you like the paid marketing bit, make sure that you present yourself as a paid marketer instead of just a general digital marketer. Now, of course, working for a big company is not as fun as working at a startup, but it's also important because number one, you'll get a good value on your resume if you have a big company's name. Second, here you will learn how you can make things big, how big things work. Working at a startup is great, but you also need to understand how all these big companies are working, what are the systems that they're using, and most importantly, the most important part is that the network that you will build here. See, you'll probably meet senior people in your industry, which can help you accelerate your growth even in the future. Trust me, this one thing will help you throughout your career. Your learnings might shrink a bit. That is why you have to also focus on constantly learning, but as well as building networks, because this is the main USP of a big company, the network that you get to build with these people. So these are the 3 steps that you should use to learn a great amount of stuff in just a short span of time. Remember, the key word is focus. Just be focused on one thing and try to learn as much as possible. Now, this is one personal bonus tip which helped me a lot, and that is don't stop upskilling. If you're working in the digital space, things are constantly evolving. what was working 3 years back or 2 years back is not working today. So it's always important to learn skills that complement your current profession. For example, if you're a digital marketer, learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript will help you understand how websites work and eventually help you do your work better. So that's all, guys. This is what I would do if I was starting digital marketing today, and I will probably be much faster in my learnings than I did in real life. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I would love to solve it. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you can see more such videos like this.